my channel. My name's Megan. This is really awkward. I don't know how to start this. This is my very first video. This is my first YouTube video. I'm doing it. I'm starting it. We're here. I'm doing a YouTube video, I guess. I hope you like it. Anyways, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Megan. Hello. Jumbo. Welcome. I get so awkward when I talk about myself. I've been a makeup artist for 3 years. I do freelance. I work for a makeup company and then I freelance and do weddings and on-set makeup and all that kind of stuff. So I am a makeup artist, but I model as well. I sing a little bit. I'm kind of all over the place. It's fine. I have a friend, Cody, who is a photographer. And I've been friends with him for a long time and we have been wanting to shoot forever. He's so talented and I've been wanting to do a cool photo shoot with him. We're keeping it really, really simple. Cool. Oh, you're back? You're back. Cool. You're back. Perfect. Stay with your sisters. This is our inspiration for our photo shoot today. Selena Gomez is our inspiration, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why I set myself up for failure. I've been wanting to do this photo shoot with him. We finally are doing it today. We're gonna do it in about 20 minutes because he is sitting outside. Since I was getting all glam for this photo shoot, I decided to film it. So I hope you guys liked it. I basically just obviously wet my hair, put some oil in my hair, and now I have this wet hair vibe. I'm also gonna take you a little behind the scenes of today's photo shoot, so you can kind of see how these photo shoots work and how I do my hair and makeup for shoots. This is how I achieve this look, or if you want, I'm so bad at YouTube, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just like mumbling and blabbering. It's fine. And I also want a cheeseburger. I'm starving. So if you want to see how I got this look for today's photo shoot, keep watching and I will show you, girl. All right, bye. Bye. I look like an Oompa Loompa. I'm gonna start with moisturizer. Hey, it's also, ooh, my moisturizer leaked. Give me a minute. Let me just clean off my moisturizer real quick. Shh, it's fine, everybody. Talk amongst yourselves. This is the Tarte H2O moisturizer. Ah, good lord, this is so good. I have the driest, most alligator skin in America. I need this moisture or else you can see all my crinkles. Let me go ahead and fill these in. Why am I breathing heavily? I've had 16 cups of coffee. Get it together, get it together. I'm gonna pencil in my eyebrows and then I'll move on to the next step in this next clip because editing, and I'm a YouTuber and I know how to edit because I have iMovie. I'm back, I did my brows. Whoa, they look like caterpillars, but that's how I like it. I'm not bad at doing, Jesus, take the wheel. We're gonna hit it one time with Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Auburn and any eyebrow brush. I'm gonna go underneath my eyebrow. So I already filled it out with a pencil, right? I'm gonna go underneath my eyebrow and just create a line. Okay, we're gonna go on the top of the brow now, on the arch. Create that tail, make that tail nice and pointy. So we're sharpening up that tail, but we're also filling in the tail. I like the front part of my brow to be a bit lighter, and mostly that's the pencil, and then I like the tail to be mostly the pomade, okay? The most important part, especially for the pomade part, is to keep brushing it out. We are gonna go with Tarte Shape Tape. That's so hard for me to say. I'm gonna hit it one time with some medium. I also have light sand on deck in case I want a little bit of highlight. I'm clearly very self-tanned right now, so depending on my self-tanner, I'll do light sand, I'll do medium, or I'll mix them together. I'll just put a little dab of that concealer on the back of my hand and then go in with a flat brush. I think this one's from Morphe. And I will clean up my brow. I'm also using Shape Tape to use as my primer, my eye primer. I'm setting this, I'm mixing two colors, so I'm using, I think it's Blanc Type from MAC. Use any vanilla-ish shade. You can use translucent powder, you can use your foundation powder, girl, it doesn't matter. And we are going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's very dirty. Don't look at it. Stop. Don't look. We're going in with the shade Faint. Wait, no. Silk Cream. Silk Cream, y'all. It's a really good transition shade for my skin tone. We're just gonna go in and we're just gonna take about 17 minutes to blend this same shade. That's right, folks. The same shade. I'm gonna move over to with MFEO. It's slightly darker, slightly warmer. We're gonna go with Creamsicle. It's this orangey creamsicle shade. Wow. Good job at descriptions, Megan. My foot's asleep. Oh my god. Ah, good lord. Oh, it feels so good and so bad at the same time. Okay, I'm not dramatic at all. I'm like very calm. I'm a calm person. I'm like that calm YouTuber that you just like relax and you like fall asleep to her videos. Like that's gonna be me. I'm putting Creamsicle in the crease, but I'm like hitting her like a little higher in the crease. Like I don't know why I thought I could do YouTube. Like I can barely speak English. Okay, that's not gonna get any better, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna grab another brush. This is MAC. Dude, this brush. Girl, if you have small eyes, if you have no eyelids like me, like go get you some 221 from MAC. It's a fluffy blending brush, but it's so skinny and so small that if you have no crease, because if you go in with too big of an eyeshadow brush and you have small eyes, like you're gonna look like you've been punched in the face. P.S. I'm going with Pukey. I love this shade. Pukey from the same palette. We're still in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. We're putting it lower on the lid, so towards the lash line, and then we aren't going in as far as we did with the first shades. So let's go in this rusty shade. I think it's called, Roxanne. And we are going to pop Roxanne. Look at Roxanne. She cute. She real cute. Roxanne. Okay, I can't afford those copyrights, so I'm gonna shut up and hoping that. Do you hear that? Get him! It's the police. Roxanne. That's the police, right? How ironic. I am bringing Roxanne like a little higher up. Can you see this? Am I even like teaching you anything? I don't know. I don't know. I have to pee, but I don't want to get up. Oh, it's okay. I'll suck in all the nutrients. I'm gonna go in with that first 224 that we went in with, and any of those shades that we like started with in the crease, or mix them together if you want. And I'm just gonna go over like where I put Roxanne, just so we're blended. Good, not great. Moving on. We are going to use the Charlotte Tilbury. I've had this for so long. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, I don't know what it's called. Something Chameleon, Color Chameleon, in the shade Bronzed Garnet. And I'm just gonna put this on my lash line and move it upward. Let's pop a little bit of ColourPop Lovely. It's a super shock eyeshadow in the shade Lovely. I'm gonna take it with my finger. It's like a champagne gold, and we're just gonna pop this on our lid. That's pretty. I love ColourPop. I like this on the inner corner. I feel like I need something in the center of my eye. Okay, let's deepen out the outer corner a bit. You feel me? Feel me, dog? We're gonna go in with the Dare to Create 39A Morphe palette. Guys, I'm not sponsored. Just kidding. Use my code. This is the holiday collection. It's gigantic. I love it. This is the tricky thing about these palettes, is there's no shade names. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this gigantic shade. Let's name it ourselves. I'm gonna call this shade Brown Vomit. We're gonna go in with the 217 brush from MAC. I'm gonna go in with this shade. This shade is a dark cherry color. This shade is Beautimus from the Morphe palette right here. It's like a bronzy shade. And we're just going to pop it on the center of our eye. Like so. Also, I'm wetting the bronzy shade with MAC Fix Plus, of course. I like bronzy shades because they're easy to get away with. Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done. Since I have lash extensions, I don't really do eyeliner, and then for this look, I don't really want it on the top. And then obviously put mascara and lashes on if you need them. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe wipes. These are actually pretty bomb. Use my discount code. I'm gonna go with my primer. Strobe Cream by MAC in the shade Gold Light. They have a regular strobe cream and it's kind of a pinkier tone. And I wasn't always a super big fan of that just because the pink iridescence or whatever. Because I'm more of a, as you can tell, I like to look like a Cheeto. So Cheetos do not like pink highlight or pink undertones. I like to look really yellow. Okay, girl, we're gonna go with some highlight, liquid highlight. This is the Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Original. How original. And we are using this Morphe Beauty Sponge, Beauty Blender. And this is like a lot that I just put on, but I love it. Okay, let's do foundation. This is the Tarte Empowered Hybrid Gel Foundation. Dude, this foundation is insane. It comes like in a pot, okay? And I thought I hated stuff like this. No, 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 no. I love this. Tarte Medium Shape Tape. Just put 3 pounds of it and blend her out. And we are going to hit it one time, like a little dot. A little dab will do ya with light sand. I'm also going to use this to highlight my nose. And then create the infamous tree. We're gonna go in with some cream highlight, girl. ColourPop Cream Highlight Super Shock Cheek. This is the shade Flexitarian, and girl, this highlight, ooh, this is real good. And we're gonna put the same Flexitarian on our little nose. This is the MAC Oh Darling. The one that I have is the Holiday Collection from like 2 years ago. And we are going to pat this on Flexitarian. Like, aliens can see this, and that's what I want. When I go into Sephora, I'm like, can aliens see this though? You know what I'm saying? Like, will they be able to land their ship? Because if not, I'm not buying it. Okay, we are going with the Sleek, it's so dirty, I don't even want to show you, but Sleek Makeup palette. And the palette is Solstice palette. I'm going to use a 242 by MAC because that's all I could find, and like, ain't nobody got time to go look for a small brush, you know? You feel me? We're going to go with that same highlight, the Sleek highlight. We're going to put that in our inner corner. We're also going to put that on the brow bone. So I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 10. I'm just kind of pressing this into the skin. Okay, we're going to use this Lancome powder, the Absolute powder in the shade Absolute Golden. I'm literally almost done with this, and I'm so sad because this is a $60 powder, and I don't know if you guys know this, but with $60 you could literally buy like 60 tacos with that kind of money. However, this powder makes me look like Jesus, and that is the type of look I'm going for on a daily basis. I'm pressing this in with a Real Techniques fluffy brush. Let's finish the eyes and then we'll go to the rest of the face. Perfect, great, good plan, Megan, thanks. I tend to just stick to the same colors on the lower lash line than what I put on the top of my eye. I'm gonna go in with this fluffy detailed brush by Morphe. And I'm going with the shade, why do I know this? Silk Cream. Okay, so we're just blending, blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna move you closer. So then we're gonna go in with a darker shade. I'm gonna go with any darker shade here. So what shade is this? Come on, Megan, get it together. This is, Mocha. Orange Mocha Frappuccino. Okay, back with that detail brush, and we're just gonna blend her. I think I'm gonna bronze and then I'm gonna contour a little bit, but this look I really wanna be really like, because I'm gonna have wet hair and I really wanna be very bronzy. So I'm gonna go in with Give Me Sun by MAC. I'm going to start with the top of the ear and move right on the cheekbone, and I'm just gonna do a little line. And then I'm gonna start working in circular motions to blend it out. Go on the temple, bronze that temp. Bronze that temp, girl. Sides of the forehead. I'm like rushing because I want a burger, you know? Like I want a cheeseburger so bad right now, and that's all I can think about. Okay, so this might be one of my favorite things to do in my makeup routine is contour my nose. So I'm using Hoola for this. So let's contour our nose. You can contour the tip of the nose here. And you can also contour your lip. We're gonna take a little fluffy detail crease brush, dip it into Hoola, and we are going to put this in, what is this called? I guess the Cupid's bow right there in the center. Do you die? Look how giant my lip looks. Like you could eat soup out of this. I want a super light blush. I kind of want to just be bronzy. So I'm going to do Style by MAC. Then we're going to add some lower lash mascara. This is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Okay, so we're almost done. Praise Jesus. I want the lips to be like nude and glossy. I'm gonna go in with this with Strip Down Lip Liner by MAC. Oh, sorry. I was like skipping ahead. We're gonna go with Honey Love by MAC. We are going to finish this off with MAC lip gloss. You don't have to put that much, but you know, YOLO, dude. I'm gonna go in with Fix Plus first. I'm gonna use 2 setting sprays because I'm that girl. Fix Plus by MAC. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Just take a deep breath, think about your life, just like say a little prayer to the gods that we look bomb today. Okay, that is the finished look. We are completely done. The makeup is complete. I'm ready for my photo shoot. I'm ready for my close-up. So I'm gonna go get my hair wet and change into my outfit, and I will be right back.